Mia, see yourself. I'll fucking do the video. Hello. You sure? You sure you don't want to do it? Yeah, you sure? Mia? You sure you don't want to do it? Just do it. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm scratching, and I like doing sleeping stuff. I might go to my bed, I don't know. I might just come lick Jasmine on the face, or just come snuggle up back at Jasmine. Go on then, Mia. Yeah, you get your butt down. So yeah, when you finish watching this video, like, subscribe, and be a dude, I think is what you Jasmine calls him. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys when Jasmine introduces me next. Bye. So yeah, that's Mia, my doggy. She's currently sniffing my toe. Yeah, kisses. Yeah, kisses. Yeah, kisses. I love you. So yeah, she's a German Shepherd. Aren't you, Mia? Yes. You like the colour red, don't you, Mia? Yes. You support Liverpool, don't you, Mia? Yes. I meant to be putting the camera in your face. I know, but you're putting it up instead. I didn't know there was a fire alarm up there. I did, and I've been here less time than you. Don't get sassy with me. Sorry. You're still older than me, but I'm going to be still older than you. I'll be 12. And you'll be... No, Mia, you'll be 2. Oh. I don't like you then. Don't worry. Doo-doo-ee. You're not playing, you're in the sleepy mood. Why are all dogs in a sleepy mood when they're on camera? Like, she was playing. Play fighting. Well, that's my dog, isn't it? What are you gonna do? Ooh, who farted? I think it was a dog. Can dogs fart? I think they can. Mia, can you fart? Yeah. Okay, of course you can fart. Mia, have you got a translator on? No. So, who's talking? Who's talking your voice? You. You're talking it. I can't even speak. I'm just a dog listening to your conversation. You're just talking to a tablet. I know I'm talking to a tablet. Do you know what this tablet is? It's a computer. I love you, Mia, so much. I just want to give you a big cuddle and sleep with you. Because you're a big teddy bear. Smile to the camera. No? You just want to stare at my arm? Ow! Guys, she's literally laying on my arm. I have no choice but to... What's she gonna do? What you gonna do with the big bad bird? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So I like sniffing my bum and licking it, but Jasmine, she likes, I don't know what she likes. She's my sister though. Do I have to do a sibling test on you? No. Then you should remember everything I know. I told you this, Mia. I'm sorry. It's okay. These kids can forgive, can't they? Already. No. Ew. Ew. doesn't open wide, and I'm called Big Mouth. So I wasn't watching Stampy, but I came up with a nose because I like stamping. She's got her own nose, but I'm a girl, so Stampy girl nose. Yeah, instead of Stampy long nose, Stampy girl nose. That was in my mouth, Mia. Guys, look. Yeah, kisses. Give me a lick. Come on, do it for the camera. They were waiting, look. Nose. She will lick me. Get off my arm. Oh, God, it's dead, Mia. Why are you so heavy? There you go. Mwah. How's it with my face? Grosso. 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 So yeah, that's my dog. Gonna do the outro? Yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, be in Japanese gang the rest of your whole entire life. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.